Chapter 7, Self-Grooming. Title: Struggle for an Education Q1. Why was the boy inspired to go to Hampton? Or, what inspired the author to go to the Hampton Institute? Or, how was the author of the lesson, Struggle for an Education, motivated to join the school? Ans. The boy was inspired to go to Hampton after overhearing two minors discussing an excellent school for colored people. One told the other that the school was not just established for members of their race, but that it also allowed impoverished but deserving students to work out all or a portion of the cost of a board and at the same time be taught some trade or industry. After hearing all of this, he wanted to go there and thought it was the nicest place on the planet. Q2. What did he learn during work? Ans. During work, he learned that there was a good school for colored people in Virginia. The school not only provided quality education, but also provided opportunities to earn money for education fees. Q3. What happened to the money he had earned at Mrs. Ruffner's house? Ans, his stepfather and other family members spent much of the money he earned at Mrs. Ruffner's residence, learning him with just a few dollars to cover his travel and clothing costs. Q4. What did he do in Richmond in order to reach Hampton City? Ans. At Richmond, he urged a ship's captain to hire him. He used to unload the cargo to get money and cash for food. The captain was so happy with his work that he asked him to stay on as a regular employee. In this way, he was able to make money to go to Hampton. Q5. Why did the boy thank the captain of the ship? Ans. When he had collected enough money to travel to Hampton, he thanked the captain of the ship for his kindness and resumed his journey. Q6. Why did the writer not make a favorable impression on the head teacher? Or why could that writer, Mr. Washington, not make a good impression on the head teacher? Ans. The writer did not make a good impression on the head teacher because, for a long time, he was without proper food, a bath, or a change of clothing. Thus, he looked shabby and rough. Q7. What did he have to go through in order to get admission at the Hampton Institute? Ans. To get admission to Hampton Institute, the boy was asked to clean the recitation room. He swept and dusted the room several times as he knew that his future depended upon it. The teacher came and inspected the room minutely and could not find a bit of dirt. She finally admitted him to the school. Q8. Write down the central theme of the above-read text in your own sentences. Or what impression does the essay, Struggle for an Education, has upon you? Ans. A steadfast determination is the central theme of the above text. As we read through the text, we can see that the author had a strong desire to obtain an education, but he encountered many obstacles. In addition to not having any money, his mother was ill, and he was not living a good life. Despite these obstacles, he managed to overcome them one by one. Unwavering resolve is a success milestone. While challenges may arise, they can be overcome with firm determination. If a person has strong willpower, nothing is impossible, and poverty is no bar to success.